Hello everyone, this is Aryan back with another video. Today we'll be discussing about the pros and cons of having iguana as pets. If you're on my channel watching this video, then I guess you must be familiar with Olive the iguana, wily Indian Akash Vimmel's pet Olive. Olive and Akash broke the stereotype of lizards being scary, as people now find them really fascinating, and the trend of having iguana as pet is increasing day by day. Let's jump straight into the pros and cons. The major pro of having iguana as a pet is that they are vegetarian, that is, they have a herbivorous diet. Because usually, pet lizards have crickets and mealworms, etc., that is, insects, as their diet, major part of their diet, which is a little difficult for people to manage, as not everyone is comfortable with feeding insects to their pet animals. The next is that they live up to 20 years in captivity. So, if you're looking for a long term friend, then iguana is for you. They are strong built. By that, I mean that they are not too sensitive, they are not delicate at all. They are diurnal. By diurnal, we mean that they are mostly active in the day, so you can schedule your plans and so that you can take care for them. They have a easy to meet diet. As we discussed above, they are vegetarian, so they eat mostly fruits and veggies, which you can get from your nearby vendor. The another pro is size. Well, this is debatable, as the size is a pro or a con for every individual. Every different individual have a different opinion on that, as they get huge in size. So for me, I would love to have a huge lizard as one of my friends. But it could be a con as well, because we'll discuss in the con section. Let's jump into it. They demand constant care. They need time, and you'll have to give them a little attention for their requirements. They require huge enclosure, as they get huge in size and they need space to roam around. They may be territorial if not tamed, as they might get a little aggressive. So you have to deal with that by making them comfortable around you. They don't like to be touched. Yeah, they are not dogs at all. They won't be tolerating your touch. They get huge in size. It could be a con, because you'll have to arrange the enclosure accordingly, and it could be trouble or difficult for people to manage who live in small houses. One of the major con of having iguana as pet is that they have certain conditions of for survival. They require specific lighting, humidity, and temperature conditions, which can be a little hard to manage, as these things are little expensive to arrange, and you'll have to gather as much knowledge as you can to help them survive and adjust in your home. Well, that's it. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching the video, and I really appreciate that you spend your time here. Do let me know if you have any suggestions or anything that you'd like to add in the comment section. And yeah, do subscribe. It really helps me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.